This is a review for this awesome countertop ice maker. This one is black, obviously. They're available in a few different colors, like a stainless steel looking one, a white, a red, and what they call green, but it looks more like a teal to me. This little machine is great. It just shows the water down really quickly and then lets them slide off and then dumps them into this little reservoir here. Out of the box, this was incredibly simple to use. All I did was unpack it, plug it in, poured water down in the bottom of this reservoir down here, drop the tray in. Within 6-7 minutes, it was already making ice. This is really amazing how quickly it makes ice. There's only a couple different functions for this. There's an on and off, whether it's running or not making ice. And then if you press and hold this on and off button, it will go through a cleaning process when you're all done to clean all the internal components out. And all the select button does is move it from small or large ice cubes. These are the large size ice cubes. That's where I've got it set at now. Got some indicators when you need to add more water and an indicator when the bin is full. I came with this little scoop, which fits nicely inside the ice bin to be able to scoop out the ice cubes. They're kind of a neat shape for ice cubes. This ice maker is great. It's a great size, doesn't take up a lot of counter space, and it really does make ice quickly. It's pretty amazing.